The cabin air filter, or AC filter, in your 2022-2023 Hyundai Ioniq 5 is located behind the glove compartment on the passenger side. Its primary function is to filter out dust, pollen, allergens, and other pollutants, ensuring clean air circulates within the cabin. This is especially important in EVs like the Ioniq 5, where an efficient HVAC system is crucial for energy management. Replacing this filter is a straightforward process that can be done without specialized tools, typically requiring only a screwdriver or clip removal tool. Begin by opening the glove compartment fully. Depress the side stops to lower the glove compartment completely. Locate and remove the cover panel, which is held in place by clips or screws. Slide out the old filter, paying attention to the direction of the airflow arrows. Insert the new filter with the airflow arrows pointing towards the cabin. Reassemble the cover panel and glove compartment. Hyundai recommends replacing the filter every 15,000 miles or 12 months, but adjust this interval based on your driving conditions. Regular replacement ensures optimal HVAC performance and air quality.